Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by gathering the recordings you want to combine. Open Voice Memos, select the first clip, tap Share and choose Save to Files. Repeat for each memo. Make sure iMovie is installed and iCloud Drive is active so Files syncs across devices. Once all memos are in one Files folder, you're ready to create a new iMovie project. This step ensures your audio is accessible and organized. You won't waste time hunting clips mid-edit. You import the saved memos into iMovie by creating a new movie project and choosing Media right arrow files. Select the folder you prepared. Once imported, drag each audio item onto the timeline in the order you want them to play. Trim the start and end of each clip to remove silence, then add short crossfade transitions between clips to smooth edits. Make sure to adjust volume for consistent levels. Play back sections to verify pacing and continuity before export. When the timeline reads clean and levels are steady, tap Share and save the project to Files. Export as a file using high audio quality. Once exported, open that file in Files, tap Share and choose Voice Memos to add the merged recording back to your memos. If the file won't import, make sure iCloud Drive is active and try re-exporting at a slightly lower quality. That often resolves transfer hiccups. Finally, play the merged memo in Voice Memos to confirm the result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.